Is your Samsung Galaxy Tab in 999 class battery draining way too fast? Don't worry, I have got some quick and simple fixes that will help your battery last much longer. So first you have to turn off some unused features. So swipe down from the top of your screen and switch off any features you are not using like Bluetooth, locations or mobile data or mobile hotspot. These services keep running in background even when you are not using them. At the same time, if you are using full brightness all the time, it seriously drains your battery. Try lowering it or turning on adaptive brightness to save power automatically. Now the next steps, you have to go to settings, go for battery, and from here you have to turn on power saving mode. Now turn on power saving mode. This reduces performance and background activity to help extend your battery life. Next you have to put unused apps to sleep in the same battery settings. So look for background uses limits. Make sure the option put unused apps to sleep is enabled. This actually prevents apps you rarely use from running in the background and draining your battery. Next you have to check what's using your battery. Still under battery settings, tap on use since lost full charge. Here you will see which apps are actually using the most power. If you see an app you don't use, often using so much battery, you can instantly consider uninstalling it or limiting its activity. Next, you can restrict background activity for unused apps. For that, from your settings, go for apps, choose an app you rarely use, tap battery, select restricted. This immediately stops the app from running in the background. Next, you can try by reduce screen timeout. So again from your settings, go for display, go for screen timeout and set it to 30 seconds or 1 minute. You don't need a screen staying on for too long when you are not using it. Also turn off adaptive brightness if you prefer manual control and want to keep it low for battery savings. You can also reduce battery by optimize memory regularly. At the end of the day, from your settings, go for device care. Here you find the memory option. Go for memory and from here you have to tap on clean now. This will close background apps that are no longer needed. It helps your tablet run smoothly and saves power. Last but not least, you can go for force stop unused app for any recently used apps still running in the background. So open the recent apps view, so go for this tab and from here you will find your used apps, either swipe individually or go for close all. And that's how you can reduce your battery draining problem. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.